Hey, Jimmy here with the Wash Doctor. And the first reason you want to sign up for our yearly subscription wash program is because we are going to do a deep clean. We go over and above most companies with our cleaning. And in our deep clean, we're cleaning out the J channels around the windows. We're cleaning out the corners, the bottom few laps of siding by the ground. We make sure and get down there, and we give it a very good deep clean. The second reason that you want to sign up for our yearly wash program is that you're going to get a discounted yearly rate. Because we do a deep clean the first time, it's going to be nice and clean, and it's not going to take us as long to clean it. And so therefore, it's going to be cheaper for you each and every year to be on the program. The third reason you want to sign up for our yearly subscription wash program with the Wash Doctor is because every spring you'll have a clean, beautiful, washed home. Why let it build up over time when every spring, for a discounted rate, you can have a beautifully clean, washed home to enjoy? No mold buildup, no rust, no dirt, no bugs. Let's talk.